Hello, Wayne at Showcase Restoration. This is Joel from JND SEO. And we spoke briefly on the phone the other day. I told you I'd send this video over. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online. And I don't want to waste your time, Wayne. I don't want to waste mine. So I'm going to make this as quick as possible. If at the end of the video you want to hear more information, let's set up a 10-minute phone call. If not, then no problem. I'm actually going to give you free tips in this video that you could go ahead and apply right to your site. First thing I do want to talk about is content. So I'm looking at your homepage here, and I'm just trying to see how many words of content you kind of have on here. And I would say you probably have maybe 200 words of content. And what really I'm looking for is about 1,500. That's what Google recommends. And Google will actually go through your site and count all your content. The more content you have, the higher they're going to rank you in the search results. But also, the more content you have, the more keywords and keyword phrases you can put into that content. As an example, I've just put in general contractor, Fayetteville, North Carolina. And it's a good keyword to bring in customers, but also it's what new customers would search if they're looking for services in your area. Normally, we would see some ads at the top, but we're not seeing these. We do see an ad here. So the second thing that we would find that we're going to see as first for your search here is the map section. Top 3 companies are going to show up here based on citations. And that's just when you get your business name, address, and phone number all listed together into a directory. And these are sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Home Advisor, just to name a few. We do have 4 here because this one is an ad. It's always going to show the 3 natural results plus any ads that they have. So next up, we're going to get to our organic section. It's where we start seeing companies show up with their websites. We're going to get 10 results here per page. These don't show up randomly. These are all based on Google's algorithm and formula. And we know that 2 parts of that formula are content and keywords. So we do have a bunch of directories here, and we could actually rank this key phrase based on the results, right? So number 1 would be Home Advisor. 2 would be Better Business Bureau. 3 would be Angie.com. These are all directories all the way until, let's see, number 6 here, which is Bramble Builders. Just taking a quick look at your website, showcaserestorations.com. And I can see you guys are taking advantage of your headers, which is a good thing. This allows you to be found a little bit easier through Google. So we have your business name here as well as a few keywords. And just looking at the numbers quickly, 25 referring domains sending you back 46 links to your site. What this means is that there's 25 websites or domains that you guys have 46 links on those 25 pages. Just, a little bit less than 2 per page. And when people click those links, it sends them directly back to your site. You guys do have 115 keywords or keyword phrases that you can be found for right now in searches. And this is what really drives the traffic or visitors to your site. And right now, your keywords are bringing in 51 visitors to your site per month. So let's take a quick look at your keywords and try to see where your traffic's coming from. First thing we see is Showcase Restoration. And that is your business name. 150 people do search your name just like that. And we can see that you are in the top position, number 1. So for position, we know there's 10 results per page. So if you want to be on that first page for any key phrase, you really just have to be in the top 10. And anyone who searches you by name, they know who you are. It's going to be some of your referrals, but it's also people who probably saw your signs as well. All right, so these are all have to do with your name. We also want to bring in new customers, right? So restoration companies, this is a good one. Even though it is part of your name, it's still a good service you offer, and a specific location you offer it in. So 20 people do search that. And for this, you guys, number 3, so this is a good one for you. Just not huge volume on that one. Water restoration, another good one, 10 more, number 4. Water damage, that's another good one, 30, number 10. So right on the edge of the first page there. Let's see. All right, so we have more restoration companies. I think that's the same one we maybe did up top. Let's see. All right, so not bad, but I do think one perhaps for general contractor would be a good one for you guys. So you're a little limited on the keywords you do have, and that's probably why you don't have even more visitors than what you guys have. If we go to Bramble Builders as an example here as a kind of a comparison, they do have their business name up here in the header as well as some more keywords. 70 referring domains sending back 179 links to their page. 104 keywords, and they're bringing in 103 visitors. So about 2 times what you guys currently have. So let's just take a look at their keywords and just kind of see what they're doing differently. So first thing we do have is their name, Bramble Builders. 40 people do search in by name, and they're in the first position. After that, we have home remodeling, Fayetteville, North Carolina. 90, number 2, general contractors. 150, number 5, construction companies. 4, number 3. Basically all different ways to say the same thing, right? But all the services you offer. Home repair. 90, number 4. Their name again, general contractor with no S. 100, number 6. Bathroom remodeling, 60, number 4. So you can see in all of these searches, though, they're in the top 10, and that's really why they have the traffic that they have. So they just have probably a few more keywords than you, and a couple, maybe a little bit more branches, kind of the different services that they offer. I would say, they have a few more keywords. So with you guys, it wouldn't be that hard, honestly, to add 100 visitors to your site. It would only really be probably 2 to 3 keywords and getting in the top 5 for those. If you guys want to hear more, like I said, 10-minute phone call. But if just think 100 more visitors to your site, even if only 20 of those were calls, right? Probably more like 50 would be, but let's just say 20 would be calls. Of those 20, let's say you got 10 estimates out of those 20 calls. How many of those estimates would you, expect to land based on your conversion? And the thing that I think you really need to consider is, that's per month, right? That's even if it's only 2 jobs a month, that's 2 more jobs every month, and that obviously would add up. But thank you guys for your time. Really do appreciate it, Wayne, and have a great day.